it's Gina with WTI. My husband loves to wear hoodies. It doesn't matter what season it is, what time of the year, you're always going to find him in a hoodie. He's been wearing this one from MANSDOUR for several weeks and he just loves it. It's so soft, it's not too tight, and it's been perfect for not just working out, but also when we go out. He loves to layer hoodies under jackets. In fact, that's usually his go-to outfit is a hoodie under a jacket, and this layers really well. We got him the size medium. He is a 42-inch chest and generally does wear a size medium, and we found this to be true to size. This is the navy blue color, and it does have kind of a heathered look to it with some gray in the midst of the blue that my husband really likes. He also loves the hood. It's not too floppy. It just fits perfect. It's exactly what he looks for when he's choosing a shirt with a hoodie. It is a cotton poly blend, and it doesn't get like a weird smell to it like you do with some polyester fabrics. When he's been working out, it's been perfect for that. My husband loves this hoodie. I mean, that's just the bottom line, and that's our point of view.